Welcome to the part 16 of the Gregg Shorthand course. In this video, we're going to have a look at FR and FL, which means that we will see that how to make some words containing FR and FL. Alright, so first of all, we will make some characters like F, R, P, T, M, and L. Alright. So F is made like this in Gregg Shorthand, R is made like this, P is made like this, T is made like this, M is made like this, and L is made like this. Okay, so suppose if we have a word here called fray. So if we notice here, first we have this F character, then we have this R character, then we have this A vowel which is very similar to this one as in game. Alright, so we're gonna combine these characters to make our final word fray. So the fray word will be made like this. So we have this F character, then this R, then this A vowel. Right, fray. So if you just notice here that the motion of connecting F and R, this is F and this is R. If we connect these two, it goes like this. So if you notice here that if we write the character Y in longhand, the Y character is made like this. So if you just notice at this part, it goes like this. It goes like this. Alright, so you have to keep this in mind that whenever you are combining this F and R, the motion will be like this. Or if you combine F and L, it's simply like this, because L curve is larger than the R curve. Alright, so let's take another word, like we have this word called frail. So again, F character, then R character, then A vowel, then final L. So frail word will be made like this. Alright, so this is F, this is R, this is A vowel, then we have this final L. So this is our word frail. Let's take another, like we have this word called fret. So again we have this F character, then R character, then A vowel, which is very similar to this one as in get. Then we have this T character. So we're going to combine these characters to make our final word fret. So it will be made like this. So this is F, this is R, this is A vowel, then this is final T. Alright, so these were the words that contain FR in them. Now we're gonna take some examples that contain FL in them. So suppose if you have a word here called flame. So if you notice here, first we have this F, then we have this L, then we have this A vowel, which is very similar to this one. Then we have this M character, then we have this M character. So we're gonna combine these characters to make our final word flame. So it will be made like this. Alright, so this is F, this is large curve called L, because L is larger than R curve, and this is our A vowel, then we have this final M, a large stroke. Alright, so suppose if we have another word called flap. So this is again F and then L, then A vowel, then final P. Right, so flap word will be made like this. This is F, this is L, large curve, then we have this P, short curve. Alright, so let's take another, like we have this word called fleet. So again we notice here we have F, then we have this L, then we have this E vowel. Okay, E, which is very similar to this one as in need. Okay, and then we have this final T. So we're gonna combine these. So overall fleet word will be made like this. This is F, this is L, then this is E vowel, then we have this final T.